Huh? Finish your crackers.
It was on the table before.
Feel better?
No, 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 no.
Over there?
There she is. Alright, don't be questions. You want to play with the dog?
Don't bark. That'll really scare her.
You want to play with her?
Oh, don't jump in the tree. I'm afraid she's going to jump in the tree.
Okay, Goldie, down. Come here. She doesn't want to play with you. She doesn't want to play with you.
Kid.
No barking. Good luck.
Where'd she go?
They're not running.
Hello, Kelly girl.
Look at Goldie trying to get this.
Hi, Kel. It's a nice, safe balcony.
Goldie!
Goldie.
Hey.
Creak, creak.
If I forget one step, I'll just dive down the whole deal here.
She does it off the bat.
Let her go. She wants to go.
She's just unsure. It's amazing.
all day.
Mike, you just want to hold her. Don't try to con. You're such a con man, Mike.
Uh-huh.
You're going to go up and be a salesman.
She wants to get up.
Look good.
Oh, everybody's pooping out here. This is the pooping out party. Not enough light. Okay. Puppy gonna get you? Puppy gonna get you? See that little cute little kitty up there waiting for you. Go see that little kitty. There you go. Not enough light.